Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're going to be learning a simplified version of my fingerstyle arrangement of Careless Whisper by George Michael and Andrew Ridgeley. So for this one, I've got the guitar in standard tuning and a capo on the 2nd fret. The capo is kind of optional. If you want to do it in the original key, the capo would be on the 5th fret, but I've put it on the 2nd just because I like the sound of it and it kind of works. But you don't even have to use a capo if you don't want to. Totally up to you. The intro goes like this. Okay, so let's talk through that. The chords are A minor, and then Dm7, Fmaj7, and then really an E minor. So this A minor, what we're doing is we're barring the 5th fret on the top 3 strings. But we're going to start with our little finger on the 7th fret of the top string. Okay, so you've got that bar and then add that. And then start by playing the 5th string open with the 1st string 7th fret. Then lift off that pinky and play the 5th fret on the top string, then the 2nd string, and then the 3rd string. So, okay, then that pinky goes back on, play that 7th fret again, lift it off, and we pick strings 1, 2, and 3 again. So you put that all together slowly, you've got like that. Okay, so then it goes down to our D-7. So here, hold down a D-7 chord. So you want to bar the top 2 strings on the 1st fret and then play also hold down the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. That's your D-7, but like before, you want to have the 3rd fret. You want to bring in your pinky and play the 3rd fret on the top string. So play that with the bass. Then we play the 1st fret on that string, on the 1st string, then the 2nd string, then the 3rd string. So, pinky goes back on, play that, then lift it off, play the 1st string, 2nd string, and then the 3rd string. So this D-7 is exactly the same fingerpicking pattern as your A-7. Just move down here and the bass has changed from the 5th string to the A string. Fmaj7. So start by holding down a full F chord, play the 1st string and the 3rd string together, then open 1st string, then the 2nd string, 3rd string, and 4th string. So. And if you want, you can do a light strum after that. Okay, so far. And then the last part is over an E-7 chord. So you can play the bass, open 6th string, and then 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then the 3rd fret on the same string, and then open 3rd string, and 2nd fret on the same string. So, and then open 2nd, 1st on the 2nd, 3rd on the 2nd, and then open 1st. Okay, put all of that together. So I hope that you've enjoyed learning this simplified version of Careless Whisper. I do teach the rest of the lesson over on my website, so if you want to learn how to play the rest of it, you're watching this on YouTube, then all you have to do is follow the links down in the description and you'll get the rest of the lesson right away. So check it out if you're interested.